In this video, I will show you how to play chess in chess.com. Simply go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for chess.com. From here, you can install the app, and if you already have the app installed, simply open the app. Or you can even play it on the website. From here, you will get to this login page. If you already have an account, you can simply click on login in the top right corner. But if you don't have an account, you can either create it with Google or email or even play as a guest. For now, let's click on continue with Google. Then choose the account. There it will ask you a few questions about your chess level, and it will ask you to put in your username. Once you've done that, this will be your home screen. Now you can click on play in this green button in the bottom of the screen. Now you can set up a time limit, or you can simply play with a friend, play with a bot, or play with a coach. If you click on start game, you will be able to play with real-time people that are online. But if you're offline or if you want to play with bots, simply click on play with bot. From here you can choose various bots with various levels, various elo. From the bottom of the screen you can choose the various type of game you want to play, whether you want to allow timer, whether you don't want to allow timer, whether you want to play as white or play as black, or it shall be a mystery. Once you set up all of these, simply click on play and the game will start. Now you can play the chess like you want. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.